Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette, and today we are building MDF doors for our wardrobe. They will be sliding because our bedroom is quite small. So I would like to show you how to do it. I'm working with my husband, obviously, not on my own. Mr. B is the clever guy in the team. So it's not just plain wardrobe doors. We want to use paneling effect. And we decided that we want to put them up first and then work out the little bits that goes to create the squares. So what you're going to need: tracking system. They are widely available online in the DIY stores. 18 MDF, 18 mil MDF sheets. Measure in advance, go to the store. Most stores will have a cutting service in store. They can cut it for you, make your life much easier. Tracking system. You can buy them online, everywhere you need. It will look something like this, not all the same. Bottom wheel and the top track, and obviously the track himself to go up and down. One of these will help you a lot, and a couple of manual ones to, when you are put in place, you will need to screw this to tighten. So it's good to have a couple of options with you. We are going for a 4-door system, and the reason is our bedroom is quite small. We are repurposing the existing fitted wardrobe. So as you can see over my shoulder there, we have a set of drawers and we have compartments within the set. So we need to make sure that we can reach all parts of the wardrobe by sliding the doors from right to left, left to right. So we went for a 4-door. So we will have 2 in the back track and another 2 to the front of the truck, and then they can just bypass each other. So let's get on with it. Mr. B is in the process of fitting the bottom track, as you can see there. And as if you look, Mr. B have chosen to fit it on a piece of MDF. And the 2 reasons for this: one is because the floor is not 100% level, and that way Mr. B can pack it out to make it level. What is important, that you have level doors. Second, he allows for the doors, the bottom of the door, to come down here, and that way make sure that the door doesn't touch the floor. So it serves 2 purposes. So this is the tracking system. I have 2 tracking systems. If you do more doors, if you have a very big length of wardrobes and you need more doors, obviously that will work out different. In our case, it's 2 tracks. So as you can see in there, so Mr. B have chosen that he's going to shape the door rather than cut the skirting board. Okay, and up there, because we have a lovely coving, and that's why I have all the wardrobe covered, because it's going to get messy because we're going to cut into the coving, and you'll see that in a minute, to run the door flush, and the same thing is happening over there. The first panel, or first door,
Are you watching? Are you watching?
is up. And you see there? So,
Cool, eh?
so now, Mr. B is sure that we have the right size. It's always best to try in situ. And then once that is done, we're going to use the little strips to create the paneling, okay? You can do that all out before you install, but Mr. B preferred to do this way, so it's many different ways of doing things. This is the way we feel more comfortable with. So, this is the wardrobe's door done. As you can see, this is the basic of MDF wardrobe doors. If you like a minimalistic, nature-based look, you can just paint with clear varnish to seal the MDF and you're good to go. We want something different. I've done the division of the door. Okay, we want quite small squares, small-ish. So we have worked out, it's pretty much, this is 29,
Five.
25?
No, there's 5 at 29.
Yeah, so from there to there is 29, 29, so we're going to go up 29 and so on, all the way up, what will give us 5 pieces across, okay? At this stage, you can do as many or as little squares as you want, or if you prefer to have more of a rectangular, upstand rectangular type of thing, if you know what I mean. So it's personal preference. The system is the same. We are just gluing it down and leaving it to dry. You can screw if you want, you can put little nails if you want, as long as it stays in place. Obviously, everyone does it differently. This is the end result. As you can see, great. I hope you found the video useful. If you want to have a go, the same principle applies if you just want to do a fixture wall, panel effect, the principle is exactly the same. It's actually easier because you just buy the strips and attach them to the wall. If your wall, the basic of it, is good and sound, and you can start from there, it's quite straightforward. Don't forget to give the thumbs up if you like the video, and if you're interested in DIY projects like this, we're always doing them around the house and doing videos on it. Don't forget to subscribe and to follow us for more videos like this. Bye bye.